Yesterday, bret.dk on Twitter organized a giveaway for a bananapi M5, and believe it or not, I won. That's pretty cool. I just proposed something around Jenkins agent, I think I remember that, and I was supposed to make an unboxing video a few days after receiving it. I did it! Almost. I forgot to click on the start recording button, so I'm sorry, the box has already been opened and the board hasn't been started yet, but yes, it's been once out of its cardboard box. There it is. There we go. Get the focus right. Almost shouldn't have switched on the autofocus. Anyhow, so this is a nice board with quad-core Amlogic S905 X3 Cortex A55 with 4 GB of LPDDR4. The GPU is a Mali G31 MPU, not that I will use that a lot with Jenkins. Anyhow, and it's supposed to be able to make up to 4K 60 FPS HDMI output, full HDMI output on this one, with HDR, CSE, and it did. We'll see that maybe later on. One thing that I like is that there is an onboard 16 GB eMMC flash storage. I don't know what's in it, but there is a system, or I hope so. There also is an SD card, micro SD card connector. So we have HDMI 2.1, we have 4 USB 3.0, we have mini HDMI 1.4. Where is that located? I have no idea. Maybe we'll find out later, or maybe the documentation is wrong. Whatever. We have a camera connector. Where is it? Really? I can't see it either. That's funny. Anyhow, we have the 40-pin GPIO header. This one I recognize. I'm sure it's there. We have a gigabit Ethernet and an audio jack 3.5mm, and there is a USB-C port for powering it. It only takes 5V 3 amps, so no USB PD, and it's about the same size as a Raspberry Pi, around 92 by 60mm and 48 grams, but I won't make a drone out of it, so I don't care about the weight of that thing. So Bret, thanks a bunch. I hope I will be able to power it up in the following weeks, hopefully, and get Jenkins up and running in no time after that. I think that's all for the time being. Just a fake unboxing video. We'll see later on if I can keep you posted on that board. Bye.